lot of junk coming out of there. I'm gonna give it a shot of ether. Only because we don't have that much juice left, right? Some blaster starting fluid. It's got lubricant built in. Not that you need it on an old diesel, but down and check the cooling system, get some more diesel. See if that oil got milky. Nope, looks completely fine. It's a good thing we drained that 3 gallons of water at the bottom or whatever it was, because that would have been all just foamed up terribly. No, they're still ice cold. You know, before we even mess with that cooling system, I want to find out if this thing budges or moves at all, because if it doesn't, then we got bigger issues. We like to soak these tracks, some diesel or lubricant, PB Blast, the whole thing. Let's try and move it. I've messed with these controls a good amount, can't get it to do anything. I did want to check, I was looking up, these are fluid reservoirs. It has a dipstick here. Let's see what that looks like. Some water on the stick. That's got good clean, just about an inch below the full mark. The one on the back, doesn't want to come out. That's what I'm looking for. That's also got fluid. It smells like gear oil. There could be other impurities in there too. I did just notice this pin's on its way out. It's still on the other side a little bit, but you gotta be careful. Looks like it's just missing the lock on it.